Hi everyone, welcome to another Expedition Cornwall video. Just a little one today. I'm out with Toby and Sidney. We're up on the dunes and we're looking at this old building, some old ruins, well not really ruins, just an old building that's been left to fall into decay. I think it used to be a surf club or surf shop. People used to use it for band practice. I remember I used to walk the dogs up here and I'd hear them playing their songs in there. I'll stop and listen for a bit. So we're going to go and have a quick look while we're here. So come along with me as we go and check out this building. We won't be able to get into this one unfortunately, but we'll have a look what's around. There's an easy access just around this fencing. Just go right around it. So up there it does say airborne something surf something. I don't know if they had surfing lessons out of this building in the past. Go around, boys. Go around. And the boys are out there. There used to be some really cool graffiti on this side of the wall. You can't see it now, it's been covered up with just grey paint and just basic graffiti, but you can sort of see at the top there just what remains of Mary's head. It was Mary and the baby Jesus. Mary was holding baby Jesus in her arms. It was really good. Looked kind of like it might have been the same artist who had done some of the graffiti up at the Mad Dream Workhouse. This one's well locked up. Can't see anything in there. Where's Toby? You run this way, Toby. There he is. We're coming back now. We can't get around that side. There's like a little shed outside, but we can't get around there. I'm not climbing over any fencing. You might have been able to look inside from there. It looked like an air vent or pipe leading out of the wall. Could have stuck my arm in and filmed from there. Some old machinery. Don't know what that would have been. Anybody knows? Leave a comment. Some kind of engine. Generators. Some hefty chain there. These engine parts. Some kind of winch system. That's pretty cool, isn't it, Sid? What's this? Some kind of giant radiator? I'm not sure. Some huge girders here. Is there a generator here? Some kind of workplace in the past. Come on then, Sid. Let's get out of here. Go and find Toby. Somebody's taken some kind of tool or implement to this door. Been trying to get in. You're not getting in here, folks. It's well locked up. But it's still interesting to have a look. Come on then, Tobes. Let's get out of here. Coming in. It's always like having a look at that place, because it kind of looks like a bunker. Something from World War II. I know it's not. It's something to do with Southwest Water. Come on, Toby, we're going this way. Yeah, that thing that looks like a bunker is not really a bunker. It's something to do with Southwest Water. It's probably full of pipes and valves, stuff like that. It'd still be called a laboratory inside, wouldn't it? Maybe one day. Just walk past and see the people working and say, "Oh mate, can you give me a quick tour?" So I'm going to say yes or no, but you never know unless you try. The boys know where they're going. Hey Sid. Where's the Toby going? It's a bit windy, isn't it, Toby? Should we go this way? Sid seems to want to go this way. Sit on the ball. You gonna go again? Do a slide, Tobes. That's funny. Put it. Toby, slide. Is that fun, Toby? Go again. You go again. Sidney, turn. There's Gwydion Lighthouse over there. Go and stand up here a bit. We can see St Ives Bay and St Ives and Carver's Bay over there, and Porth Kidney Beach and Hale Beach. We're going to be heading to Porth Kidney, no, Carver's Bay tomorrow if the weather's like this. If it is, it would be ideal. There's some stuff around there we want to go and check out, which might be interesting. It's quite lovely around here, isn't it, boys? A bit windy. It's always very windy up here on this spot. Let's go and walk down to that last peninsula, that bit that just sticks up at the end of the hill. And we'll start heading home. I'm still a bit unwell, a bit tired. Can't go much further. Ooh, my legs are aching. Somebody's left a trail of sand. We're going to turn around now. A bit tired, boys. Come on. The sun got behind the cloud now, boys. It was nicer now. It's not as nice. we're going this way now. Here comes the sun for a second. Going this way now, Toby. Have some sun for probably going to last 20 seconds. It's just a tiny gap in the cloud. Enjoy it while it lasts, boys. So we're coming to the end of our little adventure now, up on the dunes with Toby and Sidney. As you can hear in the background, they've had a good time because they're really out of breath. So I just want to thank all my new subscribers and my old subscribers once again. So we're up to 170 subscribers now, so soon we should be up to 120. So cheers for everybody for liking and comment on the videos, especially my family who excuse me, especially my family who like and comment on the videos. Thanks for supporting us and being there for us. We really do appreciate it. But please stay tuned for the next adventure tomorrow. We're hopefully going to be checking out some places around Carvis, Spain, which should be really interesting if we can find them. So stay tuned for that, everyone. So cheers again, everyone. Thanks for watching this video, and we'll see you again soon. Bye for now.